to find the RMS value of the given signal, first we need to find the time domain representation of the signal f of t over the time period 0 to t. Here from 0 to t by 2, this is a ramp signal, so ramp is nothing but alpha t. So here alpha is nothing but the slope obtained by taking the ratio of y-axis and the x-axis value t by 2, then it becomes 2 by t, 2 by capital T into t, and over t by 2 to t, its value is 0. So the signal f of t is given as 2 by capital T into t over the limits 0 to t by 2 and equals to 0 over the limits t by 2 to capital T. So here we need to find the RMS value of the given waveform. So we know the expression for RMS value, that is, first we need to take the mean of the signal over mean of the square of the signal, that is f square of t dt. Mean is nothing but this has to be divided with the capital T, and square of the mean, square root of the mean, that is square root of the square root of the mean of square of the given signal. So this is obtained as the square root of 1 by t integral 0 to t f square of t is nothing but we need to divide this integration over 0 to t by 2 f square of t dt plus integral t by 2 to t f square of t dt under the square root. So here we know that 1 by t of, we know the value of f of t over the limits 0 to t by 2, that is 2 by t into capital T whole square dt plus over the limits t by 2 to t, the value is 0 dt. And here by simplifying this one, this is 1 by t integral 0 to t, this becomes 4 by t square into small t square dt, and finally this is 1 by t, 4 by t taken out of the integration, and taking the integration for t square, this is t cube by 3 over the limits 0 to t by 2, and here it is t by 2 now. So this is equals to square root of 1 by t into 4 by t square into t cube by 8 into 1 by 3. So t cube will get cancelled, and this is 1 by 2, and finally this is equals to 1 by root 6, that is equals to 1 by root 6. This is equals to the value 0.408. So like this for any given waveform, we'll calculate the RMS value using this expression, and by substituting the values of f of t and by simplifying we will get the result.